Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a sensational dish, Fiery Cilantro Beef Fusion. Let's not waste any time, let's jump right into the kitchen. First off, make sure you have some thinly sliced beef, sliced ginger, and freshly chopped cilantro ready to go. Grab a pot and bring water to a rolling boil. Chop in the sliced ginger and beef slices. Let them dance in the water until the beef transforms into a beautiful color. Once that color change happens, rescue the beef from the water and give it a cozy spot in a bowl. Now, let's add some minced garlic, some hand-torn dried red chili peppers, a sprinkle of white sesame seeds, and a dash of red chili powder to the beef. Get ready for some sizzle. Pour some hot oil over this mix and let the aromas dance around. Give it a good stir and then let's bring in the saucy squad, light soy sauce, black vinegar, oyster sauce, a touch of white sugar, and a sprinkle of black pepper. Now, don't forget the superstar, chopped cilantro. Toss everything together and watch the flavors mingle into pure magic. And there you have it, folks. Your plate is now graced with the amazing spicy beef slices with cilantro. Dive in, savor those flavors, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy cooking!